Ryan and I have a long-
Okay, I'd like to call a Personnel Committee to order, please.
There's nothing binding.
Under previous business, approving previous meeting minutes. We have a motion moved, do we have a second? We have a second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Unanimous. Item 1, resolution number 79, tabled at the request of sponsor. Item 2, resolution number 80, tabled at request of sponsor. Current business, resolution number 348, public hearing on proposed local law N for 2016.
We have to amend that to September 27th on the hearing date.
Does anybody object to that at all? Do we have a motion? Ray?
Second.
Ray? Ralph? Second, all those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Unanimous. Local law number N, I'll take request, the sponsor would like to request to be
Yeah,
tabled. Do you need to want to speak on it?
If anyone has any questions on the bill, feel free to ask me.
Okay,
Happy to answer them.
very good. If there's no further questions, we'll table it until next month after we hear from the public on the issue.
Okay.
Thank you. Item 5, authorizing the sewer district to consider an out-of-county applicant for the position of senior instrumentation technician. We have Director Murphy here.
Yes, sir, I would like to introduce the district's chief of instrumentation, Brent Garlock. I asked Brent to attend tonight in the event the committee had any technical questions related to the position that I might not be able to answer. The district is requesting authorization to hire a gentleman from outside of Albany County to fill our senior instrumentation technician position. The district advertised locally on monster.com within Information Services of Albany County through our local trade organization, New York State Water Environment Association, and with 19 colleges throughout the region to find an individual that meets the qualifications for this position. We have received very few candidates, largely because Global Foundries has hired most of the qualified people from our area here. The district interviewed a number of those people, but found very few with the necessary qualifications to fill this position. The position is responsible to troubleshoot and program equipment that operates nonstop 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our equipment needs to be diagnosed quickly and efficiently to keep running. The candidate the district did find and is requesting to hire lives in Schenectady County. He is a retired Army Air National Guard. This gentleman has a family with children in school that makes it difficult to relocate. He would be able to fill this position immediately and has the knowledge to work on the controls of our equipment with very little training. William Bedernowski, sorry, I can't pronounce his name.
That's good,
Very
that's good.
Close. His resume has been attached for your review.
Any questions or comments from the committee at all? Not one. I would like to say that we don't take waivers very lightly, but I do understand, because I know there's a business in Green Island that is always looking for instrumentation staff themselves, and they're hard to come by. And I do know it's a difficult position to find qualified people. So we don't mind granting a waiver, but I would suggest to the committee if we do it. When I say we, I say I because the we hasn't decided yet. I haven't heard from them. But when we do grant waivers, they're usually for a year. In this case, if you hire somebody, they can stay for the duration of their employment. But if the position becomes vacant again, you'd have to come back to us. Or, does the committee have any questions or comments on that, Mr. Stevens?
Yeah, I was just curious. You said Monster. Where else have we advertised for this?
We advertise through NIWEA, which is our trade organization. We put it out on the regional colleges, which covers 19 colleges within our region. A list of them is in here as well. Give you the list if you'd like.
No, that's all right. I understand.
Albany, well, some are like Albany College of Pharmacy.
Yeah.
They're just on there, Albany Law, St. Rose, Columbia Greene County, Empire State College, Fulton, Montgomery County, Hudson Valley, Maria, Sage, Schenectady, Siena, SUNY Cobleskill, Delhi at SECC, University of Albany Grad School, Adirondack Community College, Union, and Union Graduate. We've also looked at internal organizations within Albany County. Information Services has people with similar qualifications, and we found no one interested in coming to the district.
Any comments, questions? Motion? Motion from Mr. Signorachi. Do we have a second? Mr. Joyce, all those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Unanimous. Thank you.
Thank you.
Item 6, authorizing an agreement with the POMCO Group for third-party administration of workers' compensation benefits. We have Commissioner Jennifer Clement here.
Good evening. This is for the third-party administrator for workers' compensation program. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. This is a new,
It's a renewal, isn't it?
no, this
No,
is
they're new?
actually, we would be changing third-party administrators for our current program.
Okay. And they went through a review process?
We went through an RFP process and we had the bids evaluated by our our benefits consultant, and the evaluation is attached.
Okay. Any questions at all or comments from the committee? Not, do we have a motion? We have a motion from Mr. Signorachi.
Second.
Mr. Joyce, second. All those in favor? Aye. Opposed? Sounds to be unanimous. Thank you. We have a motion to adjourn. We have a motion and a second. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Unanimous. Thank you.